In this video, I will provide you the 5 best and amazing apps for kids. So, as you all know, the early learning is the basic part of every student. But in this time of pandemic, we all know that all schools are closed, the kids are bored at home and are more attracted towards mobile phones too because they are away from their teachers and friends, and parents are also busy in doing their own work. So, in this time, I brought for your kids the 5 best apps which kids can use in their mobile phones so that they can learn something through mobile too and will continue learning. So, first is YouTube Kids. It encourages children to discover the world with a suite of parental controls. It is a world of learning and fun made just for kids. YouTube Kids is created to make it safer and simpler for children to explore the world through online video. From their favorite shows and music to learning how to build a model volcano and everything in between. There's also a whole suite of parental controls so you can tailor the experience to your family's needs. It is a parental approved content. You can make sure that you are in the control of what your children watch and handpick the videos, channels, and collections of channels that they can see. You can block. You can find a video or channel that you don't want your children to watch. Block is to automatically remove it from all your children's profiles. Video reporting. Alert them immediately by reporting videos that shouldn't be in the app. The video will be sent for the YouTube to be the first review. Timer. You can set up a timer to put limits on how long you can put limits on how long your children can use the app. You can watch the history of what your children are watching in the app. For more information, please visit kids.youtube.com. Second best and amazing app is Early Byju's Learning, a specially crafted early learning program for students by Byju's and Disney. Learning is a fun, engaging, and comprehensive with the Disney Byju's Early Learn app. This app will open doors to a world of knowledge. The personalized experience offers customized smart interactive journeys that seek to adapt to individuals' learning patterns. This is a paid app. The application features Disney's timeless stories and characters including those from Disney's Princess, Frozen, Cars, Toy Story, Lion King and more. The app offering is built on the content expertise of Byju's, enhanced with Disney's engaging stories and beloved characters. The key features of this app features Disney's timeless stories and characters including Disney Princess, Frozen, Cars, Toy Story, Lion King and more. Personalized learning programs for students. Thousands of animated videos, games, stories and interactive quizzes. Interactive games designed to bring curiosity between the students or the kids. Experiential learning activities and digitally enabled worksheets that aid hands on practice and offer real time feedback. A state of the art parental reporting system that offers detailed live progress report. The third best and amazing app for students is Duolingo. You can learn spoke English here and other 30 languages for free. Learn English with the fun mini lessons that feels like games. Use the free app every day to quickly improve your spoken English. With Duolingo, you will improve your English and have fun. Short lessons help you practice speaking and reading, listening, and writing to improve your vocabulary and pronunciation of English. Start with basic phrases and sentences and learn new words daily. Duolingo is changing the way people learn English around the world. It's free for real. It's fun, advance by completing bit-sized lessons and track your progress with achievements. It's effective. 34 hours of Duolingo are equivalent to a semester of university level education. Learn English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Russian, Portuguese, Turkish, and many more languages free. Download Duolingo and find out the way. The Street Journal calls it the best free language learning app. The fourth app is P-School. It's a very good app for especially for kids to start their learning. P-School has lots of learning activities for kids from KG to 5th standard. Try these activities for free and they do not show any ads because they is because this app is only for children. You can get thousands of more activities for just rupees 500 per year. It is a free for some activities and paid for other activities. We They provide regular academic activities like writing, reading, vocabulary, grammar, math, science, and social subjects. We also have general and fun activities like coloring, drawing, Sudoku, memory games, etc. Most of the activities will work in offline too, so you can turn off the internet and give your mobile to kids. The fifth and the last best app is ABC Spelling. ABC Preschool Kids Spelling Tracing and Phonics. ABC spelling games helps kids to learn to read, write and spell common English words in a fun and in an interesting way. With over 300 words, this app is the best app for children of the age group 3 to 6 years. It helps kids improve their vocabulary and reading skills. The app contains the most commonly used English first words and 8 sight words. Some content of the app is absolutely free, while other content can be unlocked with a single in-app purchase through parental access only. Key features of the app: over 300 plus English first words and commonly used sight words are there in the app. The app includes phonics sounds with each other within the word. The app surprise animation and colorful graphics to keep kids glued to learning. Parents can choose to repeat the words once, twice, or thrice from the settings panel. The feature to show guidelines with the app settings panel helps children improve their handwriting. Parents have complete controls to customize the app and make learning more effective. The app contains no third party ads and kids can enjoy the game without any disturbance.